Once upon a time, there were two neighbors who lived next to each other. One was a retired teacher, and the other was an insurance agent who loved technology. They both had gardens with different plants. The retired teacher watered his plants just a little and didn't pay them too much attention. The insurance agent, on the other hand, gave his plants a lot of water and took great care of them. The retired teacher's plants were simple but looked nice. The insurance agent's plants were fuller and greener. One night there was a heavy rain and wind due to a small storm. The next morning both neighbors came out to check their gardens. The insurance agent saw that his plants had come off from the roots and were completely destroyed, but the retired teacher's plants were unharmed and standing strong. Surprised, the insurance agent asked the retired teacher, "We both grew the same plants together, and I took better care of mine, even giving them more water. Yet my plants came off from the roots, while yours didn't. How is that possible?" The retired teacher smiled and replied, "You gave your plants a lot of attention and water, so they didn't have to work hard to get what they needed. You made it too easy for them. I only gave my plants just enough water, so their roots had to search for more. This made their roots grow deeper and made them stronger. That's why my plants survived." Moral: this story is about parenting, where children are like plants. If everything is given to them without effort, they won't understand the value of hard work. They won't learn to appreciate and respect things. Sometimes it's better to guide them instead of giving them everything. Teach them how to walk, but let them find their own path.